Hi, yes, I'm Bernard Dearle. I work here at the Hastings College up at the Ore Valley campus in construction. I'm a brickwork tutor, teaching level 2s, level 3s, day release students, and I've been working for the college for about 4 years. Back last June, this time last year, the college encouraged us to get exercise because we was all working from home during the lockdown, and I was cycling on the seafront, and I thought, the sea looks nice. I think I'll go for a swim, and so I did, and just got off my bike, went straight in as I was, which was really nice. Got back on my bike, and just that was it. Toddled off. Of course, next day, same thing, and then the same thing and the same thing. So of course then I thought, I wonder how long I can actually keep this up for, thinking, oh, maybe when it rains next or something, but I didn't. I just kept going. Came back to college late August for enrolment. A couple of colleagues joined me, we go down lunchtimes. Then I thought, well, you know, it'd be nice to get up to Christmas, so then I was on my own, certainly when it hit November, and then just kept going and going, and got invited a few people down on Christmas Day, and a few people did come in for a dip on Christmas Day, which was a nice sunny day, but the sea was cold, and also New Year's Day. And then I just thought, and I was deciding at that point, actually the end of last year, I should really be doing this for a charity. I'd lost a friend, and my mother used to work for the hospice, and so since the 80s actually, and I thought what a wonderful charity that would be to do it for, so St Michael's Hospice. My partner Jane set up a Just Giving page under my name, Bernard Dearle, and yeah, we've so far sort of raised over £2,000. It's still coming in steadily. I actually did my 365th day yesterday, and a few people from the college came down, a representative from the hospice came down, a few of my friends, family, etc. So there's a bit of a group of us. I had balloons up, 365, and yeah, went in for that final day. So every single day for a whole year. There's been highs and lows. I mean, obviously today, for example, I'll go down today at sunshine. There's a few days later when I started, hence why I started. But there's also been some quite bitterly cold days, and I can think of 2 dates in my mind: the 9th and the 12th of February, where there was minus chill factor winds. With the temperature of the sea being at its coldest. That was tough, but that's what it was all about.